Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome to everyone, all my subscribers that have been here since day one, and the new ones, welcome. I appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, so how was your weekend? Did you take advantage of the Black Friday sales, the yarn sales? I actually went to Michael's and walked out with absolutely nothing. They had a sale on 2 yarns. If you buy 2 yarns, you get another one free, which was a pretty good deal, and I didn't buy anything. That's the second time in my life I've walked out of Michael's without purchasing a thing. So how did you guys do? Did you get lots? I would love for you to join my Facebook group below and show me what you got. If you got anything. If you didn't, that's okay. That's okay. You save some money for next time, right? So, let's see. Oh, today's video is about the hashtag Scorched Earth challenge that the lovely Dana from Dana's Wanderlust Crochet created, and I'll put her link below. She's also the creator of the Christmas in July Fairies huge content creator collaboration giveaway, which we're going to have again next year. Yay! So I'll link her to her channel below, of course. Hi, Dana. So yeah, so the Scorched Earth challenge, what it is if you have a pile of yarn that you have had for a really long time and it's just sitting there, you haven't used it, the idea is to do something with it. Make something with it, do a yarn swap with somebody, give it away, sell it, give it away to a friend or donate it to a thrift store, something, do something with that yarn. So, I had 1 ball of yarn left to do something with, and I did something with it a while back, but because I was having my 12 days of birthday giveaway, and I did a tutorial. Anyway, I didn't have time or energy to do this video. So today I'm doing it. So, what do you think of my scarf? Anyway, I'll show that in a minute. The last item of yarn that I had to use up, oh, and there's a time limit. You have to use it up or do something with it between March 1st, 2021 and March 1st, 2022. So you have an entire year. So I'm happy to say it's all been dealt with. All my yarn that's been sitting around for a long time has been dealt with. All right, so the last ball or partial ball or little bit of, no, maybe a ball and some scraps, something like that, was this Hobby Universe yarn, 98% acrylic, 2% polyester, and let's see, 100 grams in here, 505 yards because it's a super fine one. Recommended hook size is 3.5 millimeter, and the color is 02 right there. And is there anything else? No. But what I did was I made this scarf with it. Isn't that gorgeous? Shades of blue, and I love the sparklies. So what I did was I doubled the yarn because the yarn, I wanted it to work up quicker, and I think it turned out gorgeous because it's a super fine one. I wanted it to work up quicker, so I doubled it. Recommend hook size is 3.5 millimeter. Because I doubled it, I just went up to a 4 millimeter hook, and this is what I had left. I've been hanging on to this and to show you in the video. That's all I have left. So this little bit is gonna get trashed. in the garbage because there's not enough to save, I don't think. Or I just thought of something. Never mind. I may just make something with this. Yes, I think I will. For my shadow box. Okay. So let's see, what else did I want to tell you? Well, I'm going to show you this scarf closer. It is, I have it on my channel as a tutorial. It is, I did it in, the tutorial is in a sparkly red, so it's really nice for Christmas. Even this is nice for Christmas. I think it's quite festive looking. And you can make it wider or narrower, just make more rows or less rows. And I show you how to do the trim around all the way around the whole scarf. So anyway, that's not what I'm here for. I'm here for the Scorched Earth challenge. But I am done with all my yarn. All the yarn that was in that pile anyway. So click on the hashtag that I have in the title, and it will take you to all the channels that were participating, and you can look at what they've done with their yarn or what they're still doing with their yarn. Yeah, and it's so much fun. It's so much fun. All right, so that's it. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much. And remember, life is what you make it. And so is yarn. All right, bye for now.